The Government of India has launched the Digital India program to transform the entire ecosystem of public services through the use of information technology. E-governance has been prioritized as a key thrust area across all departments. Online deliverables have the potential to unleash economic opportunities and spur the Make in India campaign by improving India's ranking in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business report. The North, South and East municipal corporations of Delhi provide civic services to 96% of Delhi's 16.5 million population. The Delhi municipalities have implemented crucial reforms to expeditiously approve building plans for fresh proposals in most categories of buildings like residential, commercial, industrial and warehouses through the online mode.
We want to minimize the interaction between our people and the customer and the architect. So that's why nobody needs to visit our office. Once that is there, even the allegations, corruption, it will greatly reduce. And secondly, even our work will reduce. A file doesn't have to move from every table to table and physically we are getting verifying the map. It is now by an AutoCAD. The map submitted by the architect, it is first pre-verified. So the automation greatly reduces our work, it will increase our efficiency and it will increase our revenue also.
Getting construction permits was earlier a complicated and time-consuming process. Closely working with the municipality has been the Ministry of Urban Development, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, with crucial inputs from the World Bank. Since April 2016, the entire procedure to get construction permits is online and based on fewer documents, transparency, integration, and interoperability with external agencies. Some of the major reforms and benefits to the applicants include: the drawings submitted are checked automatically by AutoCAD software. There is no on-site inspection required. Online integration of 9 departments involved in the process of sanction of buildings. So the applicant is not required to visit multiple departments. Doing away with NOCs for building outside the influence area of the Delhi Metro. Color-coded maps that demarcate influence zones. Geospatial Delhi Limited's superimposed map of Delhi to check coordinates and height restrictions. The number of documents have been reduced from 39 to 14 documents. Earlier, 16 affidavits needed to be submitted. These have been reduced to one single affidavit and a single self-attested undertaking with 2 short notes on the layout plans. Single payment for all integrated departments has been operationalized with net banking. The facility for auto-calculator for estimation of charges is also embedded in this. The status of applications can be checked online. Email and SMS alerts are sent to the applicant on approvals. The sanction of building plans is accorded within 10, 20 or a maximum of 30 days, depending upon risk-based categorization. The applicant can procure the copy of the sanction plan and the sanction letter in a digitally signed form with just a click. All related information in terms of building bylaws, Master Plan of Delhi, list of building plans, DMC Act, etc. is now available online free of cost on the MCD's website. Further, no approval for residential plots up to 105 square meters is required. For residential plots over 105 square meters and up to 500 square meters, architects or structural engineers are empowered to issue building permits after the payment of the requisite fee. It's now optional to get the municipality's permission.
I can say a huge breath and the major decision by the ministry to give the relief to the construction agencies so that everything becomes ease and connection between the departments and the public should be totally zero, and whatever the problems they are facing, it will be totally rectified on the online system itself. You don't have to go to department. Not only that, no hard copy, no soft copy, nothing. Total you have to work on the computer system, all the corrections, all the official fees, all the procedure, whatever is to be happened is totally transparent. Even client is comfortably in his own office, he can find out, yes, what is the problem and whether architect is lying or department is lying. So it is totally very much crystal clear. I think we are actually looking at the India like this.
We started the construction of our new house recently. Getting the permit for construction and the approval of the house plan was very easy this time. I did not have to go from department to department, and I could watch my application online.
For ensuring accountability, the entire online process is monitored by senior officers using management information systems to ensure that the applications are processed within stipulated timeframes. 925 common application forms have been received since the new process was started. Of these, 707 building permits have been sanctioned online without any physical interaction. The remaining applications are under approval and release. These significant reforms by the Delhi municipalities in ease of providing construction permits have already started yielding results. These achievements also reinforce the Government of India's vision to transform India into a competitive investment destination.